Blackout Tinting is home to radical new therapies for treating people with schizophrenia, antisocial disorder, and psychotic behaviors.
I am none of those things.
Phase 1 was a replacement therapy. We had to find the root of their disturbance to be able to finally get them to open up to us, which was key.
Back in 2022, Camp Crystal Lake was first acquired, and they broke ground to build a Dollar General. Something in me died. And I thought about working there, but I saw Blackout Tinting had this program going on where I could still work with my hands, you know?
Would you consider yourself evil?
I don't believe so. I mainly did it just to get people to play a game. I really enjoy the aspect of games and roles and stuff like that, so.
Do you think money played a decision in this?
Not so much as that people would think it would be for, but I just wanted to, just love for the game.
How much money would you get paid?
$5,000.
Instead of taking skin to make faces, I fell in love with making good quality beef jerky. Beef jerky will be sold at all Love's locations around the world, and it is featuring our famous venison, but there's a possibility that you might get a little bit of squirrel, some raccoon in there, maybe even a little bit of possum, but you gotta give it a try.
Phase 2 was equally as important. We found that a lot of these people have fixation with using their hands for things, and it was a great way to get them to move past their issues.
Well, surely I think you will find if you simply wait those 2 weeks, all of those things will dry out. Well, for one thing, it is window tint, not an air conditioner, and you're honestly just not that terribly important to me. Honest opinion, I'm really liking this Times New Roman. Rebecca.
Yes?
I need you to make me a reservation tonight at Sharky's at 7 p.m. I'm meeting with Mr. Barbish to discuss the merger.
It's training camp. Everything's booked.
That's impossible. Wes has a reservation there tonight. If you'll excuse me, I have to go return some videotapes.
Hey guys, welcome to another One Lap Review. Everybody knows the rules. We take a car here in the shop, drive around the building, give it a review. Here, we have a beautiful...
Oh my gosh, is that an 85.2 944?
It is. Isn't it awesome?
Does this have the 2.5 liter four-cylinder in it?
Yeah, yes, it does. This is one of my favorite cars.
Have you replaced the fuel rail yet?
Yeah, I did. I was worried the engine was going to catch on fire while I was driving.
Yeah, I know a guy that has 3 of them. He hasn't done it on any of them. He's going to burn alive.
What an idiot.
That thing sucks, dude.
I am the writing on the wall, the whispers in the tent bay. Without these things, I am nothing.
One of our favorite exercises was having one of the patients walking up behind someone without killing them. Whenever that happened, we knew we were making progress.
Everything changes every which way. You got to hold on to what
No, you go like this, and you go like this, and then you go like this, and then you go like this.
How could I go with the world around me? We can trust each other.
You guys want to go to Sheets?
What was Phase 3? I'm so happy you asked. Phase 3 is introducing the patients back into the public, which will be taking place October 25th at Blackout Tinting's Trunk or Treat at our Latrobe location. Bring your friends, bring your family, it'll be a great time.
thought you weren't gonna see me? Me and my buddy Lecter will be working the grill all night. So bring your appetite, or he might eat you.
October 25th, 6 to 8.
Everything changes every which way. You got to hold on to what you stay.